All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of Bill's Yount Chinook's Wine Stopper Bauble. So we'll check the time, July 6th at 10:37 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. We've got July 6th at 10:37 p.m. There is the list of our 11 entries. We're just going to randomize your names. We lost number 1 there. And whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jim. Spot 3 is your winner. So, Jim, please get with Bill to collect your Yount. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, July 6th, 10:38 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.